Good evening. Governments and businesses across the country are creating incentives to get more people vaccinated against COVID-19.
Here in South Dakota, less than 50% of people 12 and older have completed their vaccinations. KELOLAND's Lauren Solig joins us now with a look at how long that immunity lasts.
Good evening, Tom and Bridget. Well, it's been about 6 months since the COVID-19 vaccine rollout began. Now, you may be wondering how long you'll be protected. I talked with a Sanford doctor about the shot's longevity. There's still differing views throughout the United States about the COVID-19 vaccine, which extend into discussions surrounding the possibility of COVID-19 booster shots as well.
Something that's being pushed so hard to get that we can't have the choice. You know, we want our kids not to have to put as many outside toxins into our bodies, you know, and so we probably would not be on board with doing something like that.
I think that there's an influenza vaccine that we take every year. I don't see why we can't have booster shots every 6 to 12 months as part of our normal health care. I'd be fine with that.
Dr. Mike Wilde with Sanford Health says we might not need to worry about booster shots, or at least not anytime soon.
Studies looking at our immune system and the response to the vaccine or natural infection are showing the theory of prolonged immunity. So we're optimistic that for the foreseeable future, we will not need a revaccine or a booster, but of course that's always subject to change as well.
That includes protection against the different variations of the virus as well.
The more we get vaccinated up front, evidence again in the last couple of weeks has shown that regardless of the 3 vaccines available in the United States, regardless of which one you get, they do a really nice job of preventing infection from any of the COVID variants out there or SARS-CoV-2 variants out there.
Wilde encourages everyone to get the COVID-19 vaccine so we can reach herd immunity.
Good news, fewer pokes. That's always good. Now, Sanford recently closed its mass vaccination clinic. How has that rollout been going so far?
Yes, so the vaccines are still available at all of Sanford's primary care facilities, and Wilde says that they've actually seen an uptick in people getting their shots.
As people maybe have conversation with their primary care clinicians around, you know, should I take the vaccine or shouldn't I? And as they have those conversations, we're able to get those vaccines in the primary care offices, and they're in our neighborhoods, so you don't have to, you know, travel across the city or travel to a town to get it.
To find out where you can get the COVID-19 vaccine, follow the link under this story on KELOLAND.com.